Hello guys, good morning and happy Tuesday to everyone. And today it is January 18, and also today is my daughter's birthday, and today she is 7 years old to be exact. So she's 7 years old today, and then we will prepare a little surprise for her, of course. And right now she's at school, so later in the evening we will have a nice dinner with just us, and we will give her a surprise. So anyway, what I bought for her, this is what I've got for her. This is from Miniso. When I was small, I used to play this game. Anyway, I got this for her because she doesn't have this. And one more thing we've got for her, this is a tablet or iPad, I think. Yeah, this is a tablet. This is a tablet, but it can be a laptop also because it has a built-in keyboard. So let me show you. This is really good. The reason I've got this because this can be very useful for her for school. So I don't want her to carry the laptop at school, so this is perfect for her. And also it's small and very handy as well. So this is how it is. So this is this one. And this one, I don't know, this is a iBreath brand, but it has a 1-year warranty. So I got this, and this is this one, and this is the keyboard. This is really perfect for the student. This is the reason why I purchased this. Because right now she's using laptop, but then sometimes I also need to use the laptop. So as you can see, this is the keyboard. Now we are doing the unboxing. So anyway, this is the keyboard. So you just have to put your tablet here, and then this one, it has to be attached. This plug, you have to plug this in the iPad tablet. Then you can use this. As you can see, it has the keyboard in it. It is a built-in keyboard. So it's very nice, and it comes in a bag. So this is very, very nice. I am very happy of this. I got this. And you can also use USB if you want to what we call download something. You can also, but it is possible to download also. And also you can use mouse. You have to use a wireless mouse. It's possible to use a wireless mouse. So this is what I've got for her. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna start packing this, because I need to leave early also from home around around now it's 8:30. I have to leave in 2 hours time, because I need to pick up a cake. I need to pick up a simple cake for her to blow later. So, oh my god, I forgot this. This is very nice. I'm really happy for this. And this is a fast moving item also. So luckily by that time when I went to the store, they have around 700 stock for this, but then only they are down for 20 pieces. So luckily that time when I went, there's still 20 pieces on that. So I've got one. Actually, I bought this last December, before Christmas. But then I just hide it and keep it for her birthday. And for this also, it has, you can use an SD card, and also from here, you can use SD card from here, and then you can also put 2 SIM card. So you can put SIM card in this. I'm so excited to see what will be her reaction, because actually this is her first time to own a tablet. So this is her first time actually. Right now she's having a cell phone. That is actually her dad's cell phone she's using right now, because when my husband bought the new one, so my husband gave it to her. So right now she's having a cell phone, but she doesn't have a tablet. At the moment, she's using my laptop. So anyway, so this one, she can carry this to school easily and put in the school bag. So now we just have to start wrapping it. So first, we'll do this one. Actually, I'm using this, reusing this. This is actually the wrapper from Christmas. My husband's gift to me. So now I have to wrap this one. So now we're done with this. So now we'll do the big one. And also, I made card for her also. So this is the card I made for her. So, yeah. Just put this one. Now, I'm finished. Now it's done. So now we have to put our card. This is just in a small piece of paper. I don't have that. I don't have a birthday card. So this one will do. That doesn't matter. This is okay. So we just have to put like this. As you can see, this is okay. This is now, and there's another one more. So this is for tonight. So now I have to eat my breakfast, and I have to go to pick up her cake. So I'll see you guys tonight, and let's see what will be her reaction for her presents. Until then, bye.
Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Isabella. Happy birthday to you.
Come, wish first. Okay. Yay.
One blow, big blow.
Come now, one more. Oi, and look at this. What is this?
Can I open it now?
Yes. You can open your present. Slowly, slowly.
Huh? You click on my picture, na? I need help. You are. Here is your help. What's special?
My birthday.
Your birthday.
Today is your birthday.
My birthday is special.
What is that?
What is that? What is that? You can see on top. What is that? Show Lola.
Yes, I don't know.
Wow!
It's a game.
Connect board.
It's a game you have to play. 2 players. But open now. Don't open this.
Happy birthday, dear darling daughter. Here's a wish for happiness and many dreams come true. Not only on a special day, but always all life too. Love, Dad and Mom.
Love you too.
How do I?
Just later that Bella, open the other one.
Okay. How do I just rip this card?
What is that?
I can see it. I can't read this so far. Only so far. Wait, what's this?
What is that?
iPad.
Are you? But
Tablet.
what is it to Dada?
Thank you, Dada.
Come now.
Open.
Should I open
Show
it?
to Lola. What is
Show
that?
Lola first the box you like. Turn into.
It's hard. It's heavy also.
It's a TV for Isabella.
Laptop! I mean, every tablet saw a tablet.
Okay.
Such a big one.
No, lion you should be.
Oh.
Should I put it in here?
This is the charger.
Or will you just will you open this later?
What you have to do?
Should I just put it
Yeah, put it there.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Owies. Owies.
You sat on the box.
See? Happy?
What's that?
And what is more?
A pen? Why?
This you have to touch with this. Like this. You have to touch like this.
With this?
Switch it on first. No, where is the on?
Okay,
First, the black one. What is that black one?
What is this?
how
What's
do
the password?
I didn't put password on that. That is emergency.
Directly this.
No, I think...
How I can?
maybe I first have to make my own password?
Yeah, I didn't put anything on that.
Wrong pin.
No, password is like that. Because I remember my old tablet. I forgot the password from there. I wonder if it's still in the dustbin.
Dustbin. Go check. Go check.
No, I can't the dustbin.
Bring on the table. Why on the bed everything
Wait, it's
there?
the
Huh?
computer, but side it.
So now what is that?
I like that.
Yes.
It's when it's when you read this.
That's why others' minds would have gone up there.
Let's first read this. Let's first read the instructions.
Ah.
तेरे एक में से कौन मुद्दे सबले एक तो तेरे हम कदिस्ती पड़ा ना सारे के
क्या करूँ?
Wait, what's in here?
Nothing to read. That one.
Yeah.
You can read.
Because we have to look for instructions. We need to look for instructions about this because we don't know even the password. Okay,
Escape. See, it's asking password only then. You sure we didn't put anything?
4! It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we know it's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Isabella, you happy with your present?
Yes, so now we know it's 1, 2, 3, 4.
You like
I have
it?
to keep that in mind.